Use the equation y equals 2x minus 5 to fill in the table below. So immediately, whenever I see an equation, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put in 2x minus 5 because I'm going to need to use that, okay? And then they give me a couple of x numbers. They give me x is 1 and they give me x is 5. So let's go in and let's plug those in and see what happens. So if I put in x is 1, I get -3 as my answer, which means that this is going to go there. Easy enough. Let's do the same thing for x equals 5. If I put in x equals 5, I get 5 as my answer, so that's going to go there. Now the last two take a little bit more thinking. You can't just plug in y values. So they don't tell us what x goes with these. Basically what they're doing is they're giving us the answer and we have to figure out which number was plugged in. So I'm going to try plugging in things and hope that they give me -5 as my answer. Or I'm going to plug in and I'm going to try to figure out which one's going to give me -1. So let's plug in that 0 and see what happens. If I put in 0, I get -5. So I'm going to put it over here in the second row because 0 and -5 go together. And then obviously 2 is going to go in the last spot, but let's just test it. It gives me -1. I've done things correctly.